Hello people, welcome to Namaya Farms. Kindly subscribe to our channel to follow our practical poultry course for free. And today I want to show you something on one of our spaces where we use for farm. Now we decided to do a test on cropping, for maize, soybean and granite. And I just wanted to see this. Sit back and watch this video. Thank you. Hello people, welcome to Namaya Farms. Early this year we decided to do some crop farming on our farm where we have our chickens, our cows, our goats and sheep, and it didn't come up well. Not that the crops didn't grow, they grew. They were coming up very well because the soil was very fertile. But along the way, one of the nights, the big cows broke out from their enclosure and finished all the soybean, the granules, and the corn that we planted. So we came here to do a test, and we were able to get some yield. Here we have just a fish pond, and we release the water of the fish into the land, and you can see how green this corn looks. So it worked very well. The water from the fish pond is a very good manure for planting crops. So this is the fish pond, and here are the corn, and see what we got, which we are still going to use to make feed for animals. We have corn. See what we got? This is very impressive and encouraging. So in the coming year we are going to work it out so that we can use the bigger space for more crop. So I thought I should share this with you. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information. Remember, our poultry course is still going on. Subscribe to follow us. Thank you.